mRelief is a Chicago-based nonprofit whose mission is to transform access to social services for the inherent dignity of all people. The simple solution that Rose and Genevieve, our co-founders, thought of was an eligibility screener. So just a few questions that were completely non-invasive that someone could answer to find out if they qualify for this benefit. Each year, $13 billion in SNAP benefits go unclaimed, which means that 9 million households or families who are eligible for these benefits aren't getting the food that they need to survive. And we know that about a quarter of people who are making less than $30,000 a year actually only access the internet on a smartphone. And I think this was really apparent during the start of the pandemic when there were hundreds of thousands of people trying to access unemployment benefits online using their smartphone, but the unemployment application was not designed for a smartphone. It became crucial to be able to connect people to benefits using wireless technology. Of course, the problem was tremendous before, but now we're in the middle of a global pandemic, and it's actually about health and safety to be able to provide this process without requiring people to go somewhere to get benefits.
I was born and raised in New Orleans, and my family had evacuated from Hurricane Katrina. And I had just witnessed the complete breakdown in social service delivery following that natural disaster. So I knew just how hard it can be for people to access the most basic services.
So Genevieve and I met on the first day of software engineering school. We both had a desire to use technology to make the world a more equitable place.
And we had just learned how to build a form in our coding boot camp. So we decided the next day to build a form to help people find out if they qualify for the SNAP program, also known as food stamps. And now mRelief offers its own SNAP application, and then we programmatically submit that application to the state on the user's behalf.
Wireless is really a part of the conversation on equity and making sure all people are able to access social services without, contributing to the already stressful circumstance of poverty.
So by having served 1.2 million households, we've unlocked $557 million in SNAP benefits nationwide. Asking for help is really difficult, especially when you're somebody who's experiencing a lot of other social pressures. Maybe you're working, but you're not making a living wage. So mRelief's mission is to bring dignity back into this process. I see that actually happening, and it's incredible.